Hey everyone, it's Dr. Jess from the place called Ohm, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my 10-minute InstaPot elderberry syrup. Elderberry syrup is an awesome way to prevent a cold or flu, and you can also use it if you are currently ill. Making it in the InstaPot cuts down on cooking time so that you can get this remedy in your fridge a lot faster. The first thing we're going to do is add 2 cups of filtered water. Then we're going to start adding in our herbs. The first thing is 3/4 cup of dried elderberries. I like to get all of my dried herbs from Mountain Rose Herbs. I will leave a link in the description below if you would like to check them out. The next thing we have is 1/2 teaspoon of ground clove. Then we're going to add 5 pods of cardamom. We have 2 sticks of cinnamon. I'm just going to break those up into the pot. You can also use ground spices as well for any of these herbs. Now we have some dried ginger and orange peel, which is great for digestion and harmonizing all of these herbs so that we can digest them a lot easier. And we have 2 star of anise pods. Now, all of these herbs are antimicrobial, antibacterial, and antiviral, which is why they support our immune system so well. They're also warming, so if you have chills or body aches, if you have an upset digestion, such as upset stomach, nausea, diarrhea, this is going to be very helpful for you. We're going to set the InstaPot for 10 minutes, making sure that that vent is closed. Once it's done, I like to turn off the warmer and let it release naturally for 10 minutes. But if you're in a hurry, you can go ahead and vent it right away. Oh, it smells so good. All right, so now we are going to use a potato masher and we're gonna mash up those berries so that we get all those delicious juices and nutrients out of the elderberries. Once this is complete, I go ahead and strain it through a fine mesh strainer. Once this is done, I then go ahead and take a spoon and mash it and get all those juices out as much as I possibly can. I just want to maximize all those yummy nutritional benefits from these spices and berries. Once this is complete, we are going to go ahead and add a cup of cold water. Now we want to cool this down because we can't add the honey until our liquid is cooled off. This is because honey has natural antibacterial and fungal properties, and if it gets heated to a certain temperature, we lose those benefits. So in order to kind of expedite the process of cooling this off, we can add cool water or some ice cubes or both, and that way we can finish this up a lot faster. I like to use raw, unfiltered honey, and this one is specifically from Arizona, which is where I live, so I get additional benefits from the bees that have been in my area, which is awesome. Honey is also a natural cough remedy and soothes a sore throat. Once we add the honey, we are going to transfer it into a mason jar with a metal lid, and then we can go ahead and store it in the fridge. All right, now that we have this all finished up, we can go ahead and take 1 tablespoon daily if you are an adult, or 1 teaspoon for children over 1 year old. If you currently have symptoms, you can do 2 to 3 doses a day until you feel better, but otherwise you can just take it prophylactically daily. If you like this video, go ahead, like and subscribe, and hit the bell so that you are notified whenever we post a new video. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Be well. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.